He built the world's biggest retail empire but lived like the guy next door. Sam Walton, the legendary founder of Walmart, was worth billions. Yet he drove an old pickup truck, wore simple clothes, and flew coach. Why? Because for Sam, frugality wasn't just a financial strategy, it was a core philosophy that guided his entire life. In this video, we're diving into the 10 smartest frugal living habits that helped Walton rise from a small-town businessman to one of the richest men in history without ever acting like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Number 1. He drove an old pickup truck. While most billionaires flaunt luxury yachts, private jets, and exotic sports cars, Sam Walton chose to drive a humble 1979 Ford F-150. Despite being worth billions, he saw no value in flashy spending and believed it was unnecessary, even when you could easily afford it. For Sam, living simply wasn't about deprivation, it was about purpose. He preferred to direct his money toward what truly mattered, building a strong, sustainable business. Instead of investing in personal extravagance, he bought inexpensive trucks but never cut corners on high-quality store shelves. His guiding principle was simple: splurge on things that last and bring value, but save relentlessly on the temporary or non-essential. Number 2. He bought clothes off the rack. Sam Walton never cared for designer suits or high-end fashion labels. Instead, he wore simple, off-the-rack clothes, often from Walmart, the very store he founded. His wardrobe reflected his values: affordable, practical, and unpretentious. While many billionaires dressed to impress, Sam focused on comfort and function. For him, clothes were meant to serve a purpose, not make a statement. The lesson here is powerful: function over fashion. Your worth isn't defined by brand names or price tags. True value comes from who you are and what you build, not what you wear. Number 3. He flew coach or used discount travel. Long after he amassed incredible wealth, Sam Walton continued to fly coach. While other billionaires preferred the comfort of private jets, Sam chose to sit among everyday travelers. He didn't see the need for luxury air travel when a regular seat got him to the same destination. More importantly, he believed in experiencing what his customers and employees did, because staying connected to their reality kept him grounded. Sam understood that frugality wasn't just about saving money, it was about staying humble and empathetic. The lesson is clear: frugality builds empathy, keeps you down to earth, and reminds you of what truly matters. Number 4. He stayed in budget motels. Even as a billionaire, Sam Walton often stayed in modest, budget motels during his business trips. While many in his position might have opted for luxury suites and 5-star service, Sam remained focused on value over vanity. For him, a good night's rest didn't require a $500 per night hotel. It just needed to be clean, safe, and affordable. He believed that spending lavishly on temporary comforts didn't contribute to long-term success or wealth. Sam's approach reminds us that luxury isn't a requirement for rest or progress. The key lesson here: you don't need extravagance to recharge or achieve greatness, just practical choices and a clear sense of purpose. Number 5. He kept overhead costs low, an obsession with cost control. Sam Walton was relentless when it came to controlling costs. He scrutinized every expense, down to warehouse lighting and even toilet paper. To him, cutting waste wasn't just good business. It was essential to Walmart's success. This obsession with efficiency allowed the company to offer consistently low prices and maintain strong profits. Walmart's first headquarters wasn't a flashy building, it was a tiny, no-frills office. No marble floors, no private jets, just a focus on what truly mattered: serving customers and growing the business sustainably. Sam's philosophy applies just as well at home. Do you really need that premium subscription or luxury upgrade? The lesson: spend intentionally and eliminate what doesn't add real value. Number 6. He avoided corporate perks. While most CEOs enjoyed corner offices, executive dining rooms, and generous expense accounts, Sam Walton chose a different path. He rejected corporate perks entirely. His office was modest, functional, not flashy, and his lunch was often nothing more than a simple sandwich brought from home. Sam believed that leadership wasn't about privilege, but about example. By refusing unnecessary luxuries, he set the tone for a company culture rooted in humility and discipline. The lesson here is powerful. Lead by example and save where it's easiest to splurge. True leadership comes from showing restraint, not excess. And Sam lived that principle every day. Number 7. He took notes from his competitors. Sam Walton was a lifelong learner, and he didn't believe you needed to spend a fortune to gain valuable insights. Instead of hiring expensive consultants or relying solely on reports, Sam personally visited his competitors' stores. He walked the aisles, observed how things were done, and took detailed notes on everything from pricing strategies to store layouts. This hands-on approach gave him a deep understanding of the retail landscape and helped him constantly improve Walmart's operations. The key takeaway: be curious and proactive. Learning doesn't have to be expensive. Sometimes the best education comes from simply paying attention and doing the work yourself. Number 8. He reinvented frugality into a business model and avoided debt. Sam Walton didn't just live frugally, he built his entire business around the concept. Walmart wasn't fueled by massive loans or risky financial moves. Instead, Sam kept debt to a minimum and focused on reinvesting profits to grow the company steadily and sustainably. He understood the dangers of high-interest debt and applied that same wisdom to his personal life, paying off credit cards and always living within his means. This mindset shaped Walmart's core identity: low overhead, low prices, and high efficiency. And customers loved it. The powerful lesson here: frugality can be more than a lifestyle. It can be a strategic advantage that benefits everyone around you. Number 9. Negotiate everything. Sam Walton was a master negotiator. He understood that every dollar saved was a dollar earned, and he applied that mindset relentlessly. Whether it was dealing with suppliers or striking long-term contracts, Sam always pushed for the best possible deal. His ability to negotiate helped Walmart keep costs low, which translated directly into lower prices for customers. But this principle isn't just for billion-dollar businesses, it works in everyday life too. You can negotiate your bills, lower your rent, ask for better rates on services, or even reduce medical expenses. The key is simple: just ask. The lesson? Never accept the first offer. A little negotiation can lead to big savings. Number 10. Invest in quality, but only where it counts. Despite his billions, Sam Walton remained grounded, staying true to his small-town roots by hunting, fishing, and driving himself, rather than relying on chauffeurs. He believed in being practical with his spending, buying inexpensive trucks for daily use, but investing in high-quality store shelves that would stand the test of time. His rule was simple but powerful: splurge on things that last and bring real value, but cut costs on temporary or non-essential items. This approach helped him build a lasting business while keeping personal expenses low. The lesson here is clear: invest wisely, focusing your resources on what truly matters and delivers long-term benefits. Sam Walton proved that smart frugality isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. You don't need billions to live like him. You just need the mindset. Sam Walton proved that frugality isn't about being cheap. It's about being smart with money so you can build real wealth. So there you have it, Sam Walton's 10 frugal habits that built a retail empire. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below. And if you love this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-smart content. See you in the next one.